like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Yes guys, good morning, welcome to the vlog. It is Tuesday, July the 9th, I believe, roughly 9:30. Decided to turn the camera on today. A few things going on. Right now I'm heading off to Fulham, which is kind of West London, and I've got a training session, a kind of one-to-one, or actually it's a group session today. But anyway, then I'm off into Central London to go meet Nathan, where we're going to be shooting some bits and pieces for the new Icon Freestyle rope. So I know a lot of you guys want to know more about the rope, and I'm bringing out as much kind of content and material about it. So hopefully you get an insight into that. And yeah man, it's just been a crazy couple of weeks. Obviously those of you who are following from last week, we've got all this legal stuff around the brand, which is not good. Respect to everyone who came through on that video last week's. Just laid it all out there, and yeah, you all came through. The comments were incredible. I couldn't get back to every single one, but the kind of good side to that bad situation was the fact that we brought the community together. I saw exactly who was with RA, who's gonna be there and just keep strong for us, and it meant so much to me guys. Like, I don't want any negativity around this brand. I've worked too hard, and everything that you've done, everything that you just helped and supported with that day and the days after was just phenomenal. We appreciate it so much. So listen, this intro has gone on for too long already. Just yeah, sit back, relax like I always say, and enjoy the video. Nice cool park here in Fulham. Dogs, families, everyone having a good time. Right, so it is just gone past 10:30. Officially a little bit late, not very good. But I have this thing, it seems, every time I go to train someone, I am dying to literally go to the toilet. I need to go to, it's number one, but I'm bursting to go. And it always seems to happen when I'm going to train a client. And I'm outdoors here now, and I don't know where to go, what to do. I'm gonna have to last for another hour because there's just no shops or anything around here. Doesn't look like there's any toilets. But it's something that happens regularly, and it's really weird. I don't think it's nerves or anything like that. Like, I know this girl, I'm cool with her, obviously, like, I don't feel weird. But every time I'm, I don't know, gotta go check out this bladder maybe.
Hi, my name is Roxy and I sell art for a living.
And it's the first session, right?
It's my first session.
You excited?
Very excited.
What are you trying to get out of today's session?
I'm trying to learn some cool tricks, some tips, and just generally improve my jumping skills.
That's it. And we got Ines here. How long have you been skipping for now? Before they see your skills?
February, March, something like that.
You like learning the tricks and skills, right?
Yeah,
like making it fun.
And I feel that with this, you kind of always have a challenge because you can always develop. Whereas kind of like with other types of training, you kind of quickly get there and you're like, I can't go any further. That's
it, so you're always continually learning, right?
Yeah, and it's creative, and I'm creative.
Cool. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna set this camera up, and then 3, 2, 1. Shit off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come out of it. Nice and easy. Get yourself set. Side swing with the cross and the hops. Doing well. So we got Roxy working on footsteps. Love that. Good footwork there. Nice. You're gonna jump a little bit lower off the ground. Tiny bit lower. Not so high. It's one of those moves when you do it, you're not sure if you've done it or not properly.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm like, I think I need to show Rashi and Fahim to tell me if I'm doing it.
Come, let's have a look at it. Let's see if you can do
it.
Yeah, that was one.
Was that one?
That was one,
okay,
yeah.
Fine.
I think because you did it so quickly, like, and it's so smooth.
That's the thing. I
it's like
slow it down.
You're wondering if you've done it or not.
I was just like, did the rope go twice?
No, that was nice. Nice. This is what we learned just last week. Last time. We didn't do it, no?
No,
you just learned it.
Video.
Oh, did you?
I watched your video and I was like, I'm gonna try. And then I was like, did I do it?
I don't know if it comes up on camera. Look at that. I think it comes up on camera. She's got it on the back.
Back on my arm.
Look at that. It's so mad. That's dedication. Tired?
Yes.
Remember the breathing, remember the breathing? I'm really impressed though, you picked up the footwork really quickly. You enjoyed it?
I'll be back. I'll see you on the 20th.
No,
and
we come back together.
Give me 5.
We can
Thank
do
you.
together.
I'll see you on the
We come back
20th.
together.
For sure.
We're seeing you on the 20th?
Of course.
That's it,
I
man.
bring family.
Right guys, it is 12:05, so we were training for about an hour and a bit. Heading over to my car now. I am still dying for a leak, piss. I don't know what you guys call it in your country. Piss is probably a rude word. But yeah, I'm dying to go to the toilet. And, super cool training the girls today. Really nice to meet Roxy as well. And hopefully she's gonna come back. Hopefully I'm gonna see her again. They were really good on camera as well, by the way, so I'm really impressed. But yeah, if anyone's in the London area, close to the London area, drop me an email. I am looking for a few more clients. I don't have as much time as I used to with clients, but it's the thing that I think I mentioned it a few times on the channel. Like it's where we started. It's what I really enjoy doing. And as much as I'm learning about the business side of things and enjoying obviously building a brand, this is the stuff that, you know, this is the reason why we started, right? This is what the whole point of Rush Athletics was, like, to get everyone into this, teach them the skill. And I feel like the way I teach it is good because I learned it the hard way when I was starting skipping. Planes everywhere, even at the HQ. When I started skipping, I didn't have this kind of instruction. So I'm just glad to pass on the knowledge and help people speed up the learning process. So yeah, they enjoyed it and they picked up a lot of new skills. So I'm gonna head back now. Just got back to the car. I'm gonna go home, quickly get changed. I'm super sweaty and muggy. It's like really cloudy today, but I'm gonna head into central London now and we're gonna make some magic with my boy Nathan. Look who it is! Oh mate, the kid.
Ready?
How you feeling?
Shall I quickly run them through what we're doing?
Yeah, let's go. What we're doing?
Let's walk and talk.
Walk and talk.
Today we are doing a quick promo video for the Icon rope.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it. That's basically it. But we're going to Germany this Sunday.
Yeah.
So anyone in Germany, 48 hours, we're going to smash it out. Sunday morning we reach Frankfurt. So any of my German crew out there, some of you have been messaging me on DMs and all that kind of stuff. Come through. This is actually a really nice drink. If you guys like a lemon and ginger, check this one out. It looks so real. Look at this. Look at the detail on that cushion. It looks so comfortable. Nice. 4:30 right now. We have shot a few little minutes with the PVC yellow rope. We're now going to use the beaded rope for the video. Just want to quickly show you guys how to actually size this up. So with the PVC rope, it's exactly like the money rope. You just take it out of the handle, unscrew the adjustment mechanism. With this one, it's a little bit different, something that we haven't used before on the Rush ropes, but it's going to be kind of this cord, this kind of string, and that's what the beads fall onto. So what you need to do is pull this cord out the handle, and there's going to be like a little knot. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little knot at the end of this string. You just take that off, and then you have this little washer. So if you want to make it shorter, you can actually just knot it right down the string, and then when it goes back into the handle, it'll make it nice and shorter. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not like difficult. What you might need to do as well, guys, is you may need to take off the beads as well. So take the handle off. You may need to kind of take off about 3 or 4 beads, and then that way you get the right sizing as well. So you don't want to have too many beads on it if you've shortened it really like down. So yeah, it's as simple as that, man. It's like really easy to do. The new Icon freestyle rope. Spent a long time getting this design right, making sure that we've got the right logos, the patterns. These are engraved as well in the handle, so give you guys an extra bit of grip. And then also at the top here, this is embossed in, so you can see the 3D logo. So when you're swinging it, it's going to give you like a little bit of weight around the arc, right?
Yeah, you can feel the weight through the whole rope.
Yeah, nice. He's doing the he's doing the releases. Just letting you know that this material is rock solid. Where's the other handle? It's rock solid polycarbonate. You didn't need to do that. You guys have seen PVC before on my channel. I'm going to show you the beaded option. What it's going to allow you to do, guys, is going to allow you to get more control because you're going to feel exactly where the rope is. It gives you that kind of weight around the arc. Try and see if you can kind of see and hear the weight of the rope. You might not hear it, but there's like a good feel around the kind of base, around the base of the handle. You're going to feel a lot of good kind of weight coming from there. So you don't really need to use knots on this rope. Like I said, you just got to take the beads off. And what it's going to allow you to do is when you're doing kind of like backward crossovers, I'll do it from this angle. So if you're going to do backward crossovers, for example, you don't have to kind of cross your arm so much because you're using this long handle rope. It's just so much more easier to get these kind of crosses. Even if you want to do kind of freestyle moves that I'll show you with the PVC rope, like the EBs behind the backs. The Rush EB is quite simple as well. You can just literally stretch your hand behind you. The handles are so long, it's just simple crossovers. You can still do double unders, double under crossovers. All the moves you can do with the PVC rope, guys, you can do with the beaded rope. So it's a good option to use. When you buy this rope, I recommend you try the beaded option. You might actually find that you can do the tricks a lot more easier. So we finished filming now. We need to take some pictures with the rope. I think this video is going to look super clean. Yeah. I think it might be ready as well by the time I put this up. So I'm going to show you that clip in 3, 2,
I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am here and I still flex. I am just an icon living. Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa, I'm a high star, for 5 minutes. Whoa, we are so hot in the business. Last verse was before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the Porto. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Damn. Last girl signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focused and we about to all blow up. We just trying to make a whole crowd go nuts. I'm just an icon living.
I've got an issue with my shorts.
You actually bringing that up?
I'm actually bringing it up. I've got these guys, like, these shorts I'm wearing right now smell. They smell so bad. I don't know how, but they got contaminated. I put them in the wash and then they made all my other clothes smell. So I'm walking around, I can smell it on me, man. It's disgusting.
My guy. What is happening?
You're right.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You're right.
Yeah, this video was doing some dope skipping still.
You're right, yeah? Rush.
Yeah, man.
These are nice. Andy Murray and Serena smashing it. The vibes, London vibes. Got a live giveaway right now, so get involved. Get involved. Let me know what you learned from this channel, how it's helped you, and I'm giving away. I've just put it in my bag. One of the only icon ropes, one of 4 that have been created. 5 I've got. One of the 5 samples I'll be giving away next week. So check that video out. Gonna chill here for a bit, leave. I've got stuff to do at home. What are you gonna do?
I'll call a friend.
Nathan's gonna call a friend. This vlog has been pretty
all over the shop.
It's been all over the shop. It's been a normal Rush Athletics vlog.
It's been a shoot. Like we always crash at the end of shoots.
Yeah. We're sorry if it sounds a little bit like dead. But it's gonna be worth it. So hope you enjoy that edit, and I'm gonna close the vlog off. I might vlog tomorrow. We'll see. I've got website stuff to do, a lot of gym stuff, and we're about 13 days out from a massive launch. So a lot more content coming your way. Northern Line, part suspended. Jubilee. Entire line. Camden Town to Kennington.